guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Vicky. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by once again. If you're new here, you are welcome to the family. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I make this amazing hair growth shampoo using Chebe, Neem, and a couple of other amazing ingredients. For me, black soap has been an essential part of my hair growth journey, and if you're interested in this, come with me as I show you. So to begin, get a clean pot, turn on your stove, and add half a liter of clean water. So after filling your pot with water, get your herbs. Now we are going to start by adding some neem. Neem is an amazing herb for hair growth. Neem treats all your scalp issues, including dandruffs, hair fall, and stunted hair growth. So I use neem a lot. So we're going to use 1/4 cup of neem powder. So I'm just going to put that. Now this is a new innovation for me. I'm trying out these pine tree leaves. So I'm going to add a handful of pine tree leaves. They are good for hair growth and they are usually used by the Chinese women. So after adding my pine leaves back, now we are going to be adding the mint leaves that I have in this bag. Mint leaves suit the scalp. They help to treat inflammation on the scalp and also help to stimulate hair growth. So I'm adding a handful of that also. Going in next is my Chebe mix from Chad, which is necessary for length retention. I'm adding 1/8 cup of that. My next favorite ingredient would be 1/8 cup of green tea leaves. Green tea leaves is known to contain caffeine and it blocks THT. It also contains a couple of other vitamins for the hair. And guys, I want to also add ginger because ginger does wonders for the hair. It stimulates hair growth and stops inflammation. In fact, ginger has a lot of vitamins that is very necessary for hair growth. So I'm going to quickly grate my ginger. Once I've grated my ginger, I'm going to add it to my pot of boiling herbs and allow everything to infuse while it boils on very low heat. So guys, I cannot really explain how important it is to use natural herbs for your shampoo because these herbs are really full of nutrients and they nourish your hair. So if you infuse your shampoo with a lot of herbs like this, you're gonna see amazing results on your hair. Now for our next phase, I have cut in pieces all the black soap. This is about 1 pound of black soap, African black soap. What you need to do at this point is to add boiling hot water. So I'm adding like half a liter of boiling water because I'm going to also add my boiling infused tea. So I get a strainer and quickly strain out all the tea from the herbs. Now I'm also going to mix this together and allow to dissolve. So at this point the black soap is supposed to dissolve and mix with the tea. So beauties, after allowing the herbal tea and the black soap to melt and infuse together, it's time to filter this out. There is no hard and fast rule to filtering your black soap. You can use your cheesecloth, you can use any kind of cloth, you can also use a stocking cap or any kind of fabric that can get the whole shampoo out and then filter out the chaff, sand or whatever that is left in the black soap you have melted. Just ensure that there's no residue in your black soap so that when you apply it onto your scalp, it is clean and nice. So I'm just squeezing out the excess, and then I have some residue. So I have washed my bowl once again, and then I'm pouring back my filtered black soap shampoo into my bowl. So beauties, after pouring back all the black soap shampoo that I have melted back into the bowl, I'll be moving to the next phase. So in this next phase, you're going to get any container that is heat proof. We're going to add in all the oils for the shampoo. I will start by adding my almond oil. You can use any oil of choice. You must not use almond oil, so I'm using 1/8 cup of that. I'm also going to be using 100% pure coconut oil by KTC. You can use any brand of your choice. I'm also using 1/8 cup of that. Next, I'm going to be using my black Jamaican castor oil by Sunny Isle. This happens to be my favorite castor oil. I'm also going to be using 1/8 cup of that. Next, for some extra mint in my shampoo, I'm going to be using my menthol crystals. In case you don't know what menthol crystals are, Google it, or you send me a comment in the comment section and I will explain better. I'm going to be using 1/8 cup of the menthol crystals. I love menthol crystals because they have this mint feeling. They add a minty feeling to the shampoo, and they also make this shampoo to have a nice aroma. So after adding all these ingredients into my glass jar, I'm going to put it on a double boiler and allow it to melt. If you've watched this video to this point, it means you're enjoying this video, and I want you to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing beauty recipes. Thank you. Okay guys, going back to our shampoo mix, we are going to add 1/8 cup of honey. So we didn't need to add all these ingredients coming in now when our shampoo was hot. After adding our honey, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So like I said, for emphasis, do not add all this batch of ingredients when the shampoo is hot. So I'm adding some drops of tea tree oil. I'm also adding some drops of lavender oil. These essential oils can be improvised. You can use any essential oil of your choice. I'm also adding some sulfur. That's a teaspoon of sulfur, and then xanthan gum, just to give the shampoo a nice consistency. Also, I'll be adding my glycerin. The glycerin will be mixed with the xanthan gum, and then after mixing the both of them together, I'll incorporate it into my shampoo. So I'm using a teaspoon of the xanthan gum. This is my first time trying out the xanthan gum, and so if I use a teaspoon and it doesn't give me the consistency I want, I'm going to use 1 more or 2 more. But the goal here is not to make my shampoo too watery, is to make my shampoo a bit thick so the consistency is not too runny. After that, I'm adding all the oils into the shampoo mixture and I'm mixing it thoroughly. Now for the benefits of black soap shampoo, it helps you maintain healthy scalp. It also helps you promote hair growth and nourishes your follicles. So let's proceed. Next, I'm going to be adding Jamal Plus. Just because I prepared a big batch of this black soap shampoo, I will need to add a little preservative just to improve the shelf life of the black soap shampoo. And I'm also going to add a little scent to this. I'm using strawberry. This strawberry oil perfume I'm going to use in minimal quantity. So guys, at this point we have added all the ingredients 100%, and we are going to cover all our black soap shampoo and allow to rest. So I allowed to rest for like 5 hours, and then it's time to fill the containers that I have here with my black soap shampoo. So I've washed these containers, and because I'm going to be giving these ones out, I'm going to make them look nice and presentable by using these shampoo containers. You can use any containers that you want to store your black soap shampoo. Just ensure that the containers are clean and free from dirt. In case you have any questions about this black soap shampoo that I just made in bulk, go ahead and ask your questions in the comment section and I'll be waiting to answer them. Okay, back to the benefits of black soap shampoo. So black soap shampoo helps people that suffer with eczema. If you're suffering from eczema, rashes, you have inflammation on your scalp, you have any bacteria, and especially dandruffs, black soap shampoo does wonders for dandruffs and eczema. And if you are someone that has very strong hair and you want your hair to become softer, consider using this black soap shampoo and thank me later. Okay beauties, that's it for this video. Don't forget to comment "I love this shampoo" in the comment section to encourage me to do my next video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until my next one, bye.